I'm going to show you how to use spf.io's automatic captions and translation feature. We're going to this session I've already created with the languages set to Japanese, English, Chinese, and Korean. On the top right, you can scan a QR code or copy-paste this link to your browser to access the translation in the audience view. I'm going to click this icon to open the audience view on my end so we can see it side by side with the captioner. Now, I'm going to click Ctrl S operator to open the captioner. Ensure the source language is set to Japanese and enable the autopilot. Over here, you can set the gender to the text-to-speech voice so you can hear either a female or male voice when you listen to the translated audio. And in the center, you can see a microphone icon, which is where the captioner can get the source audio. In this demo, I'm going to the settings to use a feature that we call local loopback to get desktop audio as input by using a video from YouTube. Click Share and then go back to the Captioner tab to turn on the microphone. Now click play on the video and we're going to see the Japanese transcription on the Captioner and the English translation on the audience view.
はい、では皆さん改めましてこんにちは。緊張がほぐれました。今から皆さんに時間を借りてお話を聞いてもらいます。それは思うは招くっちゅうお話です。僕の母さんが中学生の時に教えてくれた言葉です。思ったらそうなるよって意味です。思い続けるって大事です。で、僕は今日のお話で皆さんの中から仲間が見つかったらいいやと思ってしますので、ぜひね仲間になってほしいです。で、僕は今から47年前に生まれました。上松勉って言います。で、僕が今北海道の真ん中辺にある赤平っていう町で生まれて初めて会社を経営しています。で、僕たちはそこで本当はリサイクルに使われるマグネットっていう機械を作っています。でもその傍らでロケットを作ります。僕たちは宇宙開発ができて丸ごとロケットを作れて打ち上げできるようになって、そして人工衛星も丸ごと飛ばせるようになって、そして世界に3つしかない、日本には僕の会社にしかない宇宙と同じ無重力状態を作る実験装置も持っています。どれも売っていないから買うことができません。でも自分たちで頑張って作りました。でも僕にとって宇宙開発は僕の夢じゃないんです。僕にとって宇宙開発は僕の手段に過ぎません。
Now I'm going to pause the video and turn off the microphone. In the audience view, you can click the hamburger icon on the top left to change the language to either Japanese, Chinese, or Korean. On top of the translation text, you can see a speaker icon, which you can enable to listen to the translated audio generated by Cloud Text-to-Speech. Here are examples of the audio in English, Chinese, and Korean.
My grandmother used to run a car company on an island called Sakhalin in the north of Hokkaido, and it seems that she worked hard, saved money, and lived a rich life.
我从未见过爷爷如此开心，所以我想再看到那个笑容。所以当我去书店时，我拿起了那本关于飞机和火箭的书。
원래 우주라고 하는 것은 별로 머리가 좋지 않으면 무리다. 굉장히 돈이 든다.
We have several features to improve the AI translation, including keyword booster and auto replacement. Keyword booster is used to boost specific terms such as brand names, jargons, etc. For example, we can boost a company name like Toyota so it always appears in the transcription. We're going to click Options in the session and click Keyword Booster. Here you can create a keyword group. Let's name it Test. Then scroll down and click View. We're going to set the language to Japanese. And then you can add the keyword here. We'll set it to high and then click the plus icon. You can add as many as you need here in the keyword group. Now we're going back to the session. Click Options and click the toggle here to enable Keyword Booster. And then select the keyword group you want to boost from the drop-down menu here. Auto replacement is used whenever you want to correct any misspelled words or phrases so that the captioner will always use the correct word or phrase in the transcription. For example, there's this phrase here, omote shimasu, that should be spelled as omote imasu. We're going to click Ctrl S operator to open the captioner, and then click this icon to open the auto replacement database. Here you can type or paste the incorrect word, and then over here you can type or paste the word you want to replace it with, which is the correct word or phrase. Then click Add Rule. Down here you can see the entry and you can add other entries as well. To present the slides during your event, click Start Projector to open the projector controller. I already assigned a playlist with a sample PowerPoint file in Japanese along with its translation that spf.io generated to English, Chinese, and Korean. Let's open the audience view, refresh it, and select English for now. Over here in the controller, there are two arrows to go to the next or previous slide. When you click Next here, the first slide will appear, and in the audience view, you can see the translated slides in English. The slides will stay in sync across all languages, whether your audience view it in Chinese, Japanese, or Korean.
spf.io, access in any language.